Hello everyone, this is Stuart over at Multee Corp. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you what can happen when you're updating your WordPress website. Now, the updates don't always go according to plan, and on occasion, what can happen is the update will get stuck. So, I am going to show you a normal WordPress installation, or update I should say. So you would, once you had been already logged into WordPress, you would just go to the Updates tab here, and then click on Update Now. And this is what should normally happen. Okay, so this is what would normally happen when you do a WordPress update. What can happen though instead is that your installation gets stuck, and it will get stuck on the updating screen and it won't do anything. If you try to go to your website, you will see this message: briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. And you won't be able to get out of this because it's stuck there. You may also see this screen: another update is already in progress if you try to redo the update, and that's no good. So the method to get away from that, so this tutorial is meant for those who are using cPanel, mainly because it is what I use here over at Multee Corp, but it is also one of the most widely used hosting control panels at the moment. So to start, you would open up your cPanel login. Now, normally it is cPanel dot whatever your domain name is. So in this case, I just created a throwaway account. Throwaway is account.com. You would enter your username, your password, and then you would hit log in. Once you log in, you should see a screen very similar to this. And if you are hosting with Multee Corp, you would see this screen. There's some various information here over the side, but the most important part is we want to look for a particular file to fix the issue. So once you're logged in, you would click on File Manager, and it'll open another window, and you would then click on Public HTML. And what you might have to do first is click on Settings over in the top right corner and show hidden files, because the file we're looking for is actually hidden. And we click Save. Once you're in the File Manager, you look for this file called .maintenance, and you would just click on it and then delete it. And that's all you have to do to get your WordPress site back up and running. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification for more videos from this channel.